In this section, I'm going to show you how to use the App Store search suggestions to find new keywords for your app. So, technically, you have multiple ways to search for applications. You can search for them in iTunes on your computer, or you can search on the device itself. So here I'm going to show you both of them. What's important here for this exercise is to use the device only and not your computer. The reason being is that when you go in iTunes on your computer, if I type yoga, it's actually searching not only for applications. Even if I selected App Store ahead of time, it's searching for all categories, which means movies, music, apps, everything. But if I go to my device and I'm searching for yoga here, it's gonna give me suggestions just for the app itself. So you see, if I type this and if I type that, we have different results. So it's important to use the device and not iTunes to do this exercise. I'm going to close that one. So first I'm going to be starting the App Store, going to the search tab, and now one of my keyword is yoga, the main one. So I'm going to type yoga here. As you can see, the App Store app is suggesting other keywords. Like I have yoga, yoga free, yoga studio, yoga for beginners. So all those words, I really pay attention to them because you hear yoga poses, yoga workout. Reason why they're important is that Apple is showing us the words related to yoga that are the most searched. And what's happening is when people are entering some of the terms, instead of continuing typing what they had in mind, they're going to look at this list and maybe select from that list. So right now I can already add, so free, if my app is free. Yoga studio, I don't know what it is, so we'll look it up. Yoga for beginners, weight loss, pauses. So I had workouts and exercises. I didn't have pauses, so that's one good to add. And as you can see, pauses is even higher ranked in the search right now than yoga workout. So I want to really keep that one. And I have like other ones, yoga glow and yoga works. So maybe there are other application names that are related here. So now to continue the search, I'm going to enter some of the top terms. Yoga free is very high. So I'm going to type space free, and here I have more suggestions. So here I can see yoga free video classes, core yoga free. So these are maybe other application name. So here, each time I'm typing something, my list of keywords is growing. So now I'm done with yoga free. I'm going to go back to the top yoga term, and I have yoga studio. Let's see what it is. If I select yoga studio, so see, as you can see, this is an application. That's the name of an application, and from what I see, it's a popular one because despite the fact that it's $4, it got 7,000 reviews. So it's probably very, very popular in the yoga space. So what it tells me is that, and if it's suggested at the top by Apple, is that there are probably a lot of people who know about this application from outside and are searching for this app. So studio is, even though it's not a term related to yoga necessarily, it should be a keyword I should consider. Because as people are searching for yoga studio, it will be a good thing to be ranked in this list. And as you can see from the search, there are 236 results. So it's not like thousands and thousands like we can have just for yoga term alone. Another thing to notice here too are related keywords. as you can see on the top of the screen, I have related keywords like yoga for beginners, yoga workout, and I can move them to the left, and I have more hatha yoga, stretch. So this one, stretch, was one of the keyword that I listed in my brainstorming session. Flexibility also, yoga trainer light. So all of those are keywords and keyword phrases that the App Store is showing to the users in order to maybe do a more granular search. And what happens is those are very good for ASO because some people will also touch those keywords instead of typing them, and so they should be really considered for ASO and added to our list. So let's look at other terms suggested for yoga. I have yoga. So let's look at workout. So one thing you'll notice is that even if yoga workout is suggested, I could touch it. But if I do that, I'm gonna start the search and get a list of applications. Instead, I prefer typing the words. This way I can see what other suggestions I get from the search. So I have yoga workout. Oops. So workouts. So here, if I go down lower, I have other applications like 7-minute yoga workout. So 15 minutes too. So maybe the word minute will be a good one to add in addition to workout, as some people may search for this type of application too. Let's look at more suggested keywords that are coming up after yoga. So I'm tapping yoga again. So yoga for beginners. So let's see. It's probably an app. But you see, as I type 4, I have yoga for beginners, weight loss, for kids, for runners, even for sex, mama, surfing, insomnia, back pain. So as you can see, the more words you're typing in a search, the more suggestions you're gonna get. So this is a great way to discover new keywords. Another word that I wrote on paper was stretching. So let's see what comes up for stretching. So if I type stretching, I have stretching and flexibility. Let's see what it is. So that's a yoga app. Stretching and flexibility. Learn to stretch without yoga. Performance stretching. So here again, I have more yoga related keywords that I can find. Now let's type yoga again, just to see the list of applications this time. So yoga studio is number 1. Then I have daily yoga, lose weight, get relief. So daily, maybe a good keyword to add, weight, relief. Pocket yoga, depends on how popular this app is. Simply yoga. So it's always good to look at the list of applications return to, because you'll see what are the keywords they are using from the app name itself. But I'll show you using ASO tools how you can find out all the keywords they're using. And related search, stretch, relaxing music, relax and sleep. Brainwaves not as relevant. Health, so daily workouts. So not all the terms will be related to yoga, but they are. It's good to search and find more. So as you can see, just by typing the type of keywords you already had in mind in the search, you can really find new keywords and add them to your list, and later on using an ASO tool to see whether you're going to have a chance to rank for them and whether they're going to bring you enough traffic to your app.